Americans, if you remember, signed up for shipping millions of good manufacturing jobs off to Mexico and China until President Trump came along and said, we got to make more of our own stuff, we got to make it with our own workers' hands, and we're going to do it for our own people right here in the United States of America, right here in Michigan. And the thing that is crazy about this is the media says that President Trump, they say this all the time, they're radicals. They're dangerous. I'm glad you all feel the same way about the media as I do. But what is radical about making more of our own stuff in Michigan, in Ohio, in Pennsylvania? Nothing. What is radical about telling the drug cartels and the violent gangs across the world, you're not welcome in this country? You know, there's nothing radical about having a strong national security, that when we go to war, we punch and we punch hard, but being cautious and not trying to get America involved in every far-flung corner and conflict of the world. Sometimes, my friends, it just is none of our business, and we ought to stay out of it. That's not radical, it's common sense.